Now?
Mhm.
This is my favorite one. Donkey Kong. Iron Man.
Talk louder.
Destruction. Card. Into Thunder.
Okay.
Say which one is my favorite.
Which one's your favorite?
This one, Donkey Kong, Into Thunder.
Okay. And you want to race them, see which one wins?
Mhm.
You got to put them up at the same time. Ready? Oh, all right. I think Blue Thunder won.
And Donkey Kong too?
Mhm.
Okay.
Got second place. Okay, and this is your little monster truck collection.
Mhm.
So you had more, but you broke them.
Mhm. I have more, but I broke them.
Okay.
I'm
Say
gonna try
bye. You gonna try that one now?
this now.
Okay. All right. Say goodbye.
Bye.